GS1-128 is an application standard of the GS1 implementation using the code 128 barcode specification. The former correct name was UCC-128. Other no longer used names have included UCC-1-128 and EAN-1-128. GS1-128 uses a series of application identifiers to include additional data such as best before dates, batch numbers, quantities, weights and many other attributes needed by the user. Overview: the GS1-128 standard is an application standard within the code 128 barcode. It identifies data with application identifiers. Without spaces below, a simple SSCC barcode would look something like this. FNC1, 0012345678 000000001. In the example above, FNC1 is the single-character function code 1, which specifies that a code 128 barcode is a GS1-128 code. 00 is the serial shipping container code AI that designates the following data as a serial shipping container code. 12,345,678 is the company number. 000000001 is the container number. It is possible to encode several pieces of data in one barcode. For example, a product serial number, production date, and expiration date together would look something like this. FNC1, 21,12345, FNC1, 1109010117100101. An additional FNC1 is required before the production date, because the preceding product serial number is variable length. This is not required before the expiration date, because the production date is fixed length. Reordering the components to place a variable length field last produces a more compact form. FNC1, 1109010117100121 Mapping to EPC codes. As EPC and EAN respectively UCC as code systems are not congruent, GS1-128 gets mapped to EPC GTIN with a reference list including both codes per type of product. However, there is no mapping for the serial number with EPC GTIN. Full list of application identifiers. Because code 128 is more efficient at coding pairs of digits, preference is given to even lengths in numeric fields. All dates are formatted as YYMMDD. Y in the AI gives a number of decimal places in the following value. The represented value is the following integer divided by 10y. For example, a net weight of 22.7 kg could be coded as 3101 A000227, 3102 A002270, 3103 A02270, or 3104 A227000. External links: GS1 specification, informational site for GS1-128 symbology.